How to make beetroot hummus. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, then arrange Turkish bread slices on a baking tray and drizzle with some olive oil. Pop in the oven to bake for 5 minutes, turning them occasionally so they brown evenly, or until they're light golden and crisp. While the toasts are baking, get started on the dip. Cook cumin and coriander in a small frying pan over medium heat for 1 minute or until aromatic. Put the toasted spices in a food processor with beetroot, chickpeas, lemon juice, tahini and a little more olive oil. Process until smooth. Season with salt and pepper and process again. Spoon hummus into a serving bowl and top with yogurt. Drizzle with more olive oil and sprinkle with DUKKAH. Decorate with mint leaves and serve with Turkish toast. This beetroot hummus is a delicious twist on traditional hummus.